So today we have our handy dandy 4Runner. We're going to be replacing the headlight light bulb on it. As you can see, when you turn on the lights, the passenger side comes on and the driver's side is not the proverbial Popeye. So we're going to try to change it, fix it. So the first thing we're going to try to do is figure out where is this light bulb. Right behind here. So we're going to look behind the headlight, and you can see right there is where the connector to the light bulb is. It's a little bit tight because the battery is right in front of it, but we're going to get it hopefully without a major issue. Is get this connector out. So you can see there's a detent right here, so we're going to lift it, and then we're going to sneak there, and then we're going to push it down. It came right off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this 90 degrees and get the light bulb out. So we're going to we turn it, and then it comes out pretty freely. And now we're gonna replace it. So now we took the old light bulb out, take it out, and now we're gonna put the new light bulb in. It's pretty similar. You can find it at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Walmart. I think I put this one in Walmart. I put the part number in the description so you can see it. So to put it in, it's the same process but in reverse. You put the lamp inside the connector like so, and then you have to turn it so that it can stay. There it is. And lastly, we put the connector back on. And so now you can see that the driver's side is working, and so is the passenger side. So we're back to having all the headlights working. Hope you enjoy the video. This can save you a little bit of money. And subscribe or send any questions if you have any.